This brand is made in China and is available through their website or on Amazon. The AP Pet 35WT model has 5 stages of purification with a UVC light and aromatherapy pad for essential oils as well as an ionizer, HEPA filter, and pre-filters. The unit has a 3-speed fan with a night light and a 260 square feet coverage area. The C500 model has a 3-speed fan, a 2,679 square feet coverage area, and can be controlled with a smartphone or voice commands. The unit has an air quality sensor that can automatically control the fan speed based on the room's air quality. The brand is backed by a good warranty that includes a 30-day satisfaction guarantee, but they also offer several models that use HEPA-like filters, which is quite misleading when shopping for an actual air purifier. The models with the so-called HEPA-like filters are not reviewed or recommended by HvacRepairGuy. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.